Hey, what's up, fam? Our order is here finally after so long. So I have with me a CPU cooler that's 120 millimeter, and it's an SE214XT. It has RGB and it's white. So let's just see what we have here. It came nicely wrapped. I like how they make sure that it doesn't, you know, smash over other things because it has this foam that keeps it safe from these guys who just throw everything around. But anyway, um, can't wait to see what's inside here. This actually took me 2 months. Um, yeah, it took 2 months to arrive. I thought it would never come. I almost asked for a refund because they kept postponing. But damn, this looks good. It feels good. Looks like a nice, like the boxes. It has good quality. It looks good outside. I like the RGB lights. There you go, guys. SE214XT CPU cooler. That's 120 millimeter, and yeah. Okay, the moment of truth. First thing we come across is the manual and something to cover the product. And I don't know if this is the bottom, but it cannot be the bottom because the bottom has to be a metal thingy. Okay, let me just, yeah. All right. So this is the heat sink. It has a plastic that you should remove just under it where it should be mounted to the PC. It's a big heat sink. I'm not gonna lie. It looks good. It looks high quality. It's shiny, and I'm actually satisfied because it doesn't look like those cheap heat sinks. And in here we have the mounts. We have AMD mounts and we have Intel. So don't worry about which PC you have. It comes with both mounts. So these are gonna mount the heatsink, and in here we have the fan. So this fan looks good right out the box. It looks fresh. It looks white. It's just good for aesthetics. And okay, I think this is what the 3 pins. I'm not actually sure if this is for the fan itself or just for the RGB, because I know usually it has two. So yeah, we have, I think this is for the RGB. I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't look like it goes to the fan inputs. So yeah, I don't know if you get me, but you will in a second. You will in a bit. It spins nicely. The plastic on, like, just in the middle, it looks like it's coming off. I don't know if I should take it off, and there's another one, but it looks like it's coming off. And yeah, so the other pin, it's the one for the fan. It has 4 pins, meaning that it can be controlled. Like, it changes the speed based on the computer's temperature. So that is a good thing that it can come in handy, actually. Not like just a fan that spins at the same rate all the time, Yeah, we need that one that can adjust just so that it's not too loud all the time. But 1.5 RPM, I did check. The fan is 1.5 RPM, so it is not loud. All right, so let's just go to the specifications right here. So the bearing type, I'm gonna start at the bottom. So the bearing type is a hydraulic bearing. The noise level is 13.8 to 30 dB. All right, so the max airflow is 68.2 CFM, and the fan speed is 500 to 1.5 RPM. So it's like plus minus 10% more. It could be more, 10% more, 10% less. They're not sure. All right, so the power input is like 3 watts, and then the rated current is 0.25 A, and then the starting voltage is 7 V DC, I don't know if it's the same, it's just 7 volts. Yeah. Operating voltage is 10.8 to about 13.2 VDC, and then the rated voltage is 12 VDC, and then the weight is 500 grams. I'm not gonna lie, it's not really that heavy. So yeah, the dimensions are just obvious. This is a 120 millimeter fan, so I think that's all you need to know, you know. And yeah, that's just about it. If there's anything that you would like to know, just leave it in the comment and then I'll let you know. But if you are living in South Africa and you want to order this from US or just woodwear, it took me about 2 months, so just be ready to wait that long. I don't know if it's because it was the holidays or what, but for me it just arrived on the 30th of December. I think I ordered it around November or October, I'm not sure. I just forgot about it for a second. But yeah, that's it from me, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and comment what you want to see next. Ciao.